Hey, we're doing more Venn diagrams. Today we will use set notation, which is A, B, intersection, union sign, and the complement sign. Using that notation to describe a Venn diagram. So you're given a Venn diagram, and you have to come up with a set notation that describes this Venn diagram. So here we have a shaded region in orange. And if we look carefully, we notice that it's really B, but at the same time not inside A, right? We could check our answer by using this mini version of the diagram where we first shade all of B, then we shade the complement of A, which is everything outside of A, right? And then we check where do these two shaded areas intersect, and that's this moon shape here, right? So this is correct. The next one, everything outside of A and B is shaded, right? So outside of A, not inside A, the complement of A is intersected with everything outside of B. We can check that again by saying, well, everything outside of A, that would be this, outside of A. And then everything outside of B, so not B, is in red. And because we have the intersection sign, we ask, where do these two shaded areas intersect? Where do they overlap? And that's nothing inside A, nothing inside B, everything outside of the two, which is what we've got. So that's correct. Of course, we could have Venn diagrams that have A, B, and C. Check this one out. This is just everything that is in A, B, and C. So all the things that are in A, but also in B, but also in C. And if we wanted to just check that, A, B, C, we would say everything in A would be red, orange. Everything in B we could color in red. And now let's use brown just this once. For everything in C. And then we have intersection signs, so we ask, where do all three of these overlap? And that's only this middle piece, right? Cool. All right, the next one. That's the shaded region is in B, but it's also outside of A and outside of C. Everything that is, outside of A and C. Okay, so we would write that it's part of B, and at the same time, outside of A and C. This is a tough one. Let's do this one in steps. Ooh, oh, I am so bad at drawing these. It's ugly. A, B, C. So everything inside B, let's color that like that. Let's do this part in one step. A union C. So A and C combined. So everything that is in A and C, or both, that would be these two, like this little snowman here. That would be A combined with C. But then they're saying the complement of that. So really, it's like saying not. So everything outside of the snowman. So I'm going to color A union C not. I'm going to color that red. So everything outside of the snowman. Because A union sign C would be the snowman, and this complement sign says, okay, take it the exact opposite, right? That's why I'm coloring this. And now because we're finding the intersection between B, orange, and this expression, red, we're asking where they intersect, where they overlap, and that's this part right here. See? Cool. One more. This shaded region has C in it, right? All of C, just like that. We're not taking anything out of C. All we do is we add the part where A and B overlap, right? So C combined with union sign, the intersection of A and B combined with the intersection of A and B. That's why we need the parentheses. You may have noticed that all of C already included this part. So all we were actually adding was this little piece, but it doesn't matter that we named this part twice, because we have the union sign, and the union means the union of A and B is the set of elements that are either in A, in B, or in both, right? So it doesn't matter that we name them twice. Here we named this part twice. It's inside A, it's also inside B. That doesn't matter, right? So we're combining, which is this sign, C and the intersection between A and B. And we get that. All right, they're like little puzzles. They're fun, I think. It takes a while, it takes a little practice, but I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Good luck.